Hello, everyone. Hi. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry, and I'm really happy you're here today. Take a deep breath with me. In and out. Yeah. Today's episode is very simple, very real, and very useful. We're talking about ordering food in English, the simple way.
Hey, everyone. Oh, I love this topic already because food makes everything better, right? And also, ordering food in English can be scary, like very scary.
Exactly. And if you've ever stood in a cafe or a restaurant or on the phone, your heart beating fast, your mind saying, "Oh no, what do I say?" then this episode is for you.
Yes, and let me guess. You know the words, you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your voice disappears.
Yes. Many learners tell me, "Harry, in my head, English is fine, but when I speak, everything is gone."
Same feeling here. It's like your brain says run away, and the waiter is just standing there smiling.
Exactly. So today, we're going to make this easy, calm, and natural. No big grammar, no long rules, just real English that real people use.
And we'll practice together. So please don't just listen. Speak with us, even if your voice is low, even if you feel shy.
Yes, speak softly if you want. English grows when you use it. Let's start with a very real situation. You walk into a cafe. You look at the menu. Too many choices. The waiter comes and says, "Hi, what would you like?"
Oh, that moment. Your brain goes blank. You suddenly forget the word coffee.
Yes. So first lesson today, listen carefully. You do not need perfect English to order food.
Yes, you don't need movie English. You need simple English.
Let's start with the most powerful sentence for ordering food. I would like.
Oh, I love this sentence. It's polite, it's calm, and it works everywhere.
Exactly. Repeat with me, everyone. I would like.
One more time. I would like.
Good. Now let's add food. I would like a coffee.
I would like a coffee. See? Easy. No stress.
You can order anything with this sentence. I would like a sandwich. I would like a burger. I would like some tea.
And if you're extra hungry, I would like 2 burgers.
Now let's make it more real. Listen to this mini dialogue. Hi, what would you like?
Hi. I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
That's perfect. Simple, clear, polite.
And the word please, oh, it's small, but it's powerful.
Now let's talk about fear. Why are people afraid to order food in English?
Fear of mistakes, fear of accent, fear of sounding silly.
Yes, but here's a secret. Waiters don't care about your grammar.
True, they just want to know chicken or beef.
Exactly. Okay, next situation. The waiter asks a question. For here or to go?
Oh, this question confuses many learners.
Let's make it simple. For here means you eat here. To go means you take the food away.
So you can answer very simply, for here, please, or to go, please.
Repeat with us. For here, please. To go, please. Now imagine this. You're in a restaurant. The waiter says, "Would you like anything to drink?"
Oh, nice question.
You can answer like this. "Yes, I would like water." Or, "I would like orange juice."
Or if you don't want anything, no thank you. So polite, so easy.
Let's slow down and practice together. Say it out loud with us. I would like water.
I would like tea.
I would like coffee.
Now I want coffee.
Okay, next common situation. The waiter asks about size. Small, medium, or large?
Ah, classic question.
Your answer can be one word. Small, medium, large.
Yes, you don't need a full sentence. One word is okay.
Now let's talk about prices. That will be $5.
And you can say, okay, or here you go, or thank you.
Perfect. Let's do a longer real-life cafe dialogue.
Hi.
What would you like?
Hi. I would like a latte, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I would like a chocolate muffin.
Sure. That will be $6.
Okay, here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
See? That's real English. No stress, no panic.
Now let's do interactive practice. Listeners, this is your turn. I'm the waiter. You answer out loud. What would you like?
Say it, even quietly.
Good. Now next question, for here or to go?
Nice. One more.
Anything else?
You're doing great, really.
Now let's move to our vocabulary section. We'll use 10 simple words. Listen, repeat, and hear them in sentences.
Don't rush. English likes slow practice.
Word 1. Menu. The menu is on the table.
Menu. I look at the menu.
Word 2. Order. I want to order food.
Order. I order a sandwich.
Word 3. Waiter. Waitress. The waiter is very kind.
Waiter. The waiter helps me.
Word 4. Drink. I need a drink.
Drink. I order a drink.
Word 5. Food. The food is delicious.
Food. I like this food.
Word 6. Please. Coffee, please.
Please. Always say please.
Word 7. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Smile and say it.
Word 8. Bill. Check. Can I have the bill, please?
Bill. May I have the bill?
Word 9. Here or to go. For here or to go.
For here. To go.
Word 10. Anything else?
Anything else? That's it.
Let's repeat one sentence together. I would like a coffee, please.
Again, I would like a coffee, please.
Before we finish, I want to tell you something important.
Serious voice now.
Yes, confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking.
Oh, that's true. You speak first. Confidence comes later.
Every time you order food in English, you win.
Even with mistakes. Mistakes are friends.
Okay, friends, take one more deep breath. You can do this.
We believe in you. Really?
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, and leave a comment.
Tell us, what food do you like to order in English?
We're here with you. Every day, every step.
Bye-bye, everyone. Go order something tasty. In English.
See you in the next episode.